Sarah here. I'm a single mom, and being a single mom is really hard, especially when you don't have a job and there's little money coming in. I left school at 18 and I have little job experience, so finding a job hasn't gone well for me. A friend asked me why I don't try making money online. I took her advice and tried many things, but nothing worked. That's until I found Google Sniper. Are you one of the thousands of people who would love to make money online? So many people try and fail with the countless schemes out there that just don't work. I used to dream of bringing in thousands of dollars while sitting at home. It would be so wonderful not to worry about how you're going to pay for things. To have that cushion. I tried so many ways to make money online. I tried blogging for a while, but I found it difficult to think what to write to keep people interested. I would check at the end of every week how many people had visited my page. It was always a minuscule amount. I wasn't making a thing from it. I looked and looked for other ways, but they were all things you had to pay to use. So it wasn't worth it. I would have lost money. I was getting angry and frustrated because no matter what I tried, I was getting nowhere. I was getting coffee with a friend one day, and I told her about my problems with finding a good way to make money online. She told me about a system called Google Sniper, how she'd tried it and it worked for her, and that I should give it a go. I took her advice, and when I got home, I searched for it. It was such a revelation. It was so easy to set up, and you don't have to worry about any techno mumbo jumbo. All you have to do is follow the instructions, and you could be up and running that very day. It wasn't long until I started seeing results either. You don't have to be all that hands-on. George Brown's Google Sniper really works, and I would recommend it to any of my friends and family as a great way to make money online. You can start making money in no time at all with Google Sniper. Don't pass up this opportunity. Act now and you could be moments away from financial security. I did, and I never looked back. All you need to do is click on the URL in the description.